Hello everyone, welcome back to Simplify Your Tech. Are your iPhone videos playing without sound? In this video, I will show you 8 simple fixes that can help you to get your sound back, even if the problem is with YouTube, Safari, WhatsApp, or your iPhone settings. Let's get it started. First, start with the basics. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the control center. Check the volume slider and make sure it's not at zero. Also, press the volume up button on the side of your iPhone while playing the video. This works for many people. In a second fix, make sure your iPhone silent ring doesn't switch off. It's the small switch above the volume button. When it's orange, your iPhone is on silent. Flip it to the ring mode and try again. Let's try for the third option. Tap to the settings, tab on Bluetooth, and make sure your Bluetooth is not connected with the third party devices like AirPods, your car audio, or the speakers. If it's connected, it might be your video sound is running to that devices. Because of this reason, and that's why you can't hear the sound on your phone. You can simply turn off the Bluetooth and audio will be converted to your original device, iPhone. Let's go for the fourth step. Some apps like Instagram, WhatsApp, Safari, or even Photos mute videos by default. When you play a video, check that speaker icon on the corner and tap it to unmute. In this video, we will go to the photos, tap on video, and it shows a speaker icon is muted. So I will tap on it, unmute, and run the video. Now go back and tap on YouTube. Also try tapping the screen while YouTube video is playing and check the volume bar there too. In a fifth fix, clean your speakers. Over the time, dust or lint can block your iPhone speaker's grill. Use soft brush or clean toothbrush to gently clean the speaker's bottom. Also trying using the compressed air, but be gentle, don't damage your mic or speaker while cleaning off your iPhone. In a sixth option, sometimes a simple restart resolve your video sound issue. For the iPhone X or later, hold slide and volume up to show the power off. Slide the power off, then wait for few seconds and turn on your iPhone back. Fix number 7. Go to your settings, scroll down, tap on journal, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Erase all content and settings. This won't delete your data, but reset network sound and display settings to default. Works especially if the problem started after an update or app install. Fix number 8. Open the voice memo app. Record a short clip and play it back. If you hear the sound, your speaker is fine. If not, it might be a hardware issue. In that case, Apple Support or local repair shop can help. Fix number 9. If the video have no sound in apps like WhatsApp or Facebook, go to the settings, scroll down, tap on privacy and security, scroll down, find the option microphone and tap on it. Make sure the apps have permission to access the microphone and speakers. Here I have turned off the microphone permission for the Chrome and other some applications. Make sure the applications you want to use have the microphone and speaker permission. Fix number 10. Outdated apps or iOS versions can cause glitches. In this case, go to the settings, scroll down, tap on journal, tap on software update and make sure you have a latest updated version. Now go back, go to the App Store, tap on your profile, upper right corner, and scroll down. You will see the option Update All and update all apps. This way, you can also remove the glitches. Now, quick recap. First, we turn up the volume. Second, check the mute switch. Third, turn off the Bluetooth. Fourth, unmute the video in apps. Fifth, clear speakers. Sixth, restart iPhone. 7. Reset all settings. 8th, check permission and updates. One of these should fix the issue for sure. That's all for today. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to Simplify Your Tech for more useful iPhone, Windows, and app tips every day. Have any questions or video suggestions? Drop them in a comment. I always try to reply. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.